Do you value your time and money? Then quit spending it on junk. One thing that annoyed me as much as being broke as a student was the fact that I always had to clean up and tidy so much stuff. And I've always had a lot of things in my room or in my place. But since I've started minimalism, my money has increased and my time spent cleaning and tidying has substantially decreased. And everything just looks and feels better. First off, minimalism is about getting rid of your junk. Let me repeat, your junk, aka things that are of little to no value in your life, so by getting rid of them, you can stop wasting your time and money on them. It's not about living in an empty space with nothing, but rather, it's about surrounding yourself with only things that you love or things that make you feel great. With stuff that you don't like or use out of your way, then you free up space. And with that freed space, you free the responsibility of taking care of the stuff that took up those spaces. And that leaves you with more time to do what you actually like to do. Consider how much time you could spend not having to fish through your wardrobe to find all the clothes you need for a nice outfit, or if you had to spend your whole weekend cleaning your home. It's probably a lot of time that you spend taking care of these things that have no value in your life.
Oh my gosh!
And financially, minimalism is fantastic. Once you decide what you own makes you happy, then you spend less money on bringing more stuff into your life. This frees up your cash, just like your time, that you can now have to spend on things you actually like. How much money could you keep because you don't have to buy something a second or third time because you can't find it in your place, even though you know you have one? Or buying extra storage shelves and containers, or worse, renting a whole storage locker for stuff you don't even care about. It's probably enough money to take that cooking course, or afford that trip, or spend it on whatever it is that you know will bring you joy in your life. In next week's video, I'll share processes that you can take to begin your journey to increase time and money. But if you can't wait till then and you're excited, then let's set up a 30-minute session for free that we can have a chat about this and maybe get you started sooner. Alternatively, you could check out the books called Goodbye Things by Fumio Sasaki or The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. They will not disappoint. So if you found value in this video, give it a like and share it with someone who you think needs to get rid of some of their junk. Maybe this will help them. And of course, you can subscribe and hit the little bell to keep up with my weekly videos. And I guess with that, I'll see you next week. Bye.